Yes, hello everybody. We are back at the store. We're having another field trip because we got so many awesome deals that, well, they need visuals, and you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in, please. It's so important because YouTube is asking us to have 1,000 views, and an easy way to help us do this is simply share it to your Facebook news feed with a notation that asks your friends to share it as well. Really simple, free. Do it right now while we're still talking. I truly appreciate and love you for it, and your friends are going to love you for it. Leave a comment. Let me know what kind of deals you're looking for so, well, we can help you out. And if you're not a Crazee friend yet or a subscriber, well, hit that subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our field trips or our daily deals. And allow the video to play all the way to the end, please, because YouTube is watching, because watch time is important to YouTube. So allow it to play even if you walk away and cut the sound down. Love you bunches for doing all those things. It's so important. It helps me, helps everybody that's watching, and, well, not just for me. Do it for all your creators and help them out as well. Alright guys, now all the YouTube business out of the way and let's get down to our business, which is saving money. So what we got going on this week, lots of beverage deals, okay, and it's maybe our last chance to get some really good beverage deals because when you start hitting in September, October, November, you don't get as many, okay, or not as good. So, got holidays coming, let's stock it up, or well, if you drink a lot of it, it goes the same way. Right now, we got 3 for $14 on the Mountain Dew 12 packs. We also have a $2 manufacturer coupon and a $4 store coupon still active on this until the 30th. So that's $6 coming off, guys. That means you're going to get 3 of these for $8. That's a winner chicken dinner. So check your accounts, and if you got both those coupons, go and stock up. Now we also have a double dip on Coke products. You got a $2 off, and they're on sale 3 for $15. That's better than buy 2 get 1 free. Okay, so 3 for $15. You've got a $2 off. That's going to leave you 3 for $13. But we also have a $2 coupon when you pair this with some Takis, and we're going to go see if we can find the right Takis. Now these Takis are $2.45. This has a $2 store coupon that's attaching to it with the purchase of those 3 12 packs of Coke. Okay, so the store coupon for $2 and the $2 for this is going to be $4 off a $12.45 transaction. So double dip, guys. So this is going to be $4 off of a $17.45 purchase. So $13 and change for those 3 12 packs and the Takis. Now these Schick product or Gillette and Schick products right here, you've got, these are $6. You've got a $3 off of each one of these. So that would be $3 and this would be $3, okay? This is basically buy 1, get 1 free. And if you actually need the razors, it's pretty much the same thing. They are $6.50. So awesome deal here and great fillers. Okay, we've got another double dip. Where is it at? Oh, right down here. The oil of... You know, when I was younger, this was oil of Olay, okay? That's all there was. There wasn't soap. There wasn't body wash. It was oil of Olay. And for some reason, every time I open my mouth to say this, that's what comes out. So, Olay soap. The 6-bar set is for $8.25 is how much it's for. You're going to pick up one of these. And then you're going to pick up an Olay body wash because we've got a sale and we've got a coupon. And it looks like they're stacking and they're for the same thing. So it's going to end up being pretty much half price on both items. So like less than $4 on both of these items. Okay. So one of these, and then of course one of these of your choice. If you go with the $10 Olay, of course, out of pocket's going to be more. Because basically what it is buy one of these, get this for half price. And so your price is going to depend on which one you actually end up with. Alrighty. But it is stacking and double doing. Your final out of pocket is like $8 and change for both of these. And your soap is normally $8.25. So if you use these products or you want these products, get your shoes on and go now because, well, they're kind of limited, as you can see. We got a great little filler here, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula hand cream, the small one for $3.35. You got a $1.50 coupon. It's a great filler and it's an awesome product. Okay, and of course while we're prowling the store, we got to stop by the clearance aisle and see if there's anything else new. And there is a few new things, and one of the new things is these right here. These fruit punch drink mixes. They are buy one, get one free, and they're on the clearance aisle for $2.15. So, like, $1.15 for two? I mean, excuse me, $2.15 for two? Yeah, we're going to pick those up. So, Clover Valley Fruit Punch drinks in the pouch. Whether or not they're still on the aisle, on the core in your store, go check it out. Oh, quick Q&A. Somebody asked if we had any coupons to match up with this particular deal right here. Save $5.15 on Clorox Kingsford. Ooh, I did not see the Kingsford. Oh, did not know the Kingsford was included. We're going to go check that one out as soon as we leave here. But you have $1.75. You got a $1 coupon and a 75-cent coupon on the Clorox wipes. And of course, we've got a $3 off 15 with our Purex, but it is a store coupon this time and not an instant savings. But I do believe we have a $1.50 coupon, and we do. So we can work a little magic there. And it would be really easy to reach the $15 threshold. Now your lawn and garden is also on sale. Buy one, get one free. The grills are excluded. Not sure about the mason jars. I'm going to give the mason jars a scan and see what comes up on the mason jars. Mason jars are not showing up as part of the sale, guys. So, and I don't see any Kingsford charcoal over here, so I'm going to walk outside and see if they have any Kingsford charcoal outside. Okay, unexpected deal, guys. We're going to pick up this Kingsford 16-pound bag of charcoal because we've got a double dip. You've got that $5 off coming off of 15, and then you've got a $3 manufacturer coupon. So $8 will be coming off that $15 purchase. And I think the Kingsford is 14, so we'll have to find something for $1 or as close as we can get to it to have a really good deal. Now, we actually have two $3 manufacturer coupons available, so if you want to do this in a 5 off 25 scenario for Saturday, it would work because they're $14 a piece. You're at 28, you need to be at 30. So $2 more and something, which would be really easy to get. And you're going to get $10, $13, $16 off that purchase. So, half price for 2 big bags of Kingsford on Saturday. Okay, with the charcoal deal, we have to spend 15, so we needed $1 to make the 15. And this is included also in that 5 off, these Glad dollar trash bags. So we're at 15. We're going to be getting $8 off, which means we're going to be spending $7 for this bag of charcoal and this thing of trash bags. So, winner, chicken dinner. And then we should be spending $10 for our 3 12-packs of Coke and our fruit punch. So, we're going to head up to the register and see what happens, and I'll meet you in the car with our totals. Oh, what do we have up here? Laundry tin scoop. This is something new that's normally not over here. It is normally in housewares. Uh-oh, look at this, guys. This is what it looks like. Loads of fun. Laundry kit wardrobe. Oh, I love that. Look at that. It's a little tin. And if you have pods, you could put your pods in there, hide them from your kiddos. These are $10. And they're right next to the wooden box that says dryer sheets. Yeah, I think we might go for the wooden box. Then we just might go for this as well. They're at $16.50 for these two things. We could build a scenario around them. So there you go, guys. Store trips. You find the most unusual things when you walk around the store, and I mean literally just wander. So I'll meet you in the car with our totals. Alright, we are out in the car, and yes, it's raining, and we've got a break from the 100-degree temperatures, and it's wonderful. Even though my receipt got a little wet. Let's have a look at the Mountain Dew deal. Look at this, guys. Final out-of-pocket was $10 and change for the 3 12-packs of Mountain Dew and the 2 fruit punches. And then I did a small transaction, just some odds and ends that I actually needed. And we got the BioFreeze patch for free. So that $2 BioFreeze is working on the patch, making it, well, free, as you can see. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. But anyway, it was free. Next, look at this. This was $15, and my final out-of-pocket, including taxes, was $7.85. So $7, because 85 cents was the taxes. So $7 out of pocket for that big 16-pound bag of Kingsford and the trash bags. And they both kind of go together. Because you got to have a trash bag to clean up after that cookout. So, yep. You know you're going to be gearing up for Labor Day. So, that's a help right there. Now let's look at these total savings. I've got a total savings of $18.90 on the Mountain Dew products. A total savings of $8 on the Kingsford. And just a $2 savings on that last one. Now, what would we have to do to combine both of these together for Saturday to save us an extra $5? Let's see. We would have... $9. We'd have to go $9 over for this. But that's 15. That's 15. And then the 2 fruit punches is 2. Yeah, we're right there. And the BioFreeze. So we could do both of these just like they sit. And the BioFreeze. And the BioFreeze is free. So, let's see what the out-of-pocket for both of these on Saturday would be if we did them together. Okay, as this sits now, it's $17 out-of-pocket. And, of course, if you add your BioFreeze, that BioFreeze is going to be free because it's got a $2 coupon. But it's going to get you where you need to be. Okay? Because you're going to need to be at $35. And, of course, if you fall short any, make sure you scan, because this is going to be really, really tight. You might have to add a piece of candy or something. But it shouldn't be much. So we're looking at $17 before your $5 comes off. Is going to make it $12 final out of pocket. And that's a definite winner chicken dinner. If you got enough, and I'm going to see if I do, I'm going to do this deal again on Saturday. Yes, because it's going to be a real good deal. Saving an additional $5 off. And all we spent today was $17 on these two transactions. So there you go, guys, your field trip and how to save you some money on things you buy every day. Blessings, and I'll see you again real soon with your next daily deal.